If you want to connect the printer on your OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to cross-device connectivity, and it can also be named device connect. Now, after that, we can find the print option. Over here we have the default print service, which of course we can make sure that it is enabled. And now we should be able to try to detect your printer over here on this list. If you cannot find your printer in here, despite it being enabled, powered on I mean, what you can also do is we can go back, and over here we have add print service. Now in here we can get the print service, the additional plugin. Of course we need to choose the corresponding plugin corresponding to the manufacturer of your printer. So make sure that you choose the correct one. However, if despite using the plugin still you cannot connect your printer, another thing that is worth mentioning of course is that printers sometimes have their own apps that we need to download on our smartphones to be able to connect them. So essentially you need to find a manual of your printer and then try to find the information about the required app that you need to get from the Play Store, of course, to be able to connect the printer to your phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.